Hey everyone, it's Andre from the Townhouse team and welcome back to another weekly Townhouse Tuesday market update for the period of February 16th to February 23rd, 2021. If you have any comments or questions regarding this video, we'd love to hear your feedback and connect down below. In this week, we have 8 new freehold townhouse listings hit the market priced as follows: $498,800, $499,900, $499,999, $499,999, $529,000, $549,900, $560,000, and then $599,900. We also saw 10 townhouses leave the market and go sold firm this week, and as you'll see here, a lot of these townhouse listings are being listed just under $500,000 and then selling between 20 to 30% over asking price. So that's just an important factor to keep in mind, that they are being listed quite low but selling for really good prices here. Listed for $499,900, $990, sold for $570,000. Then sold for $570,740, $575,000, $595,000, $615,400, $640,000, $640,000, $650,000, $670,000, and then finally list for $550,000. And this townhouse sold for $711,000. And you might remember in a previous video we mentioned a townhouse selling for $711,000. This is the second property in all of Barrie to sell for $711,000. Being an end unit 3-bedroom townhouse that is, you know, between 15 to 30 years old and is in a new built property. So that's really exciting news. The total inventory or active townhouse units currently on the Barrie real estate board as of February 23rd, 2021 is 12. The average list price this week is $518,715. The average sale price is $612,922. The average list to sale difference is 120.08%. And the average days on market this week is 6 compared to last week's 6. The lowest sale price this week was $570,000 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a 1+1 layout, 1,396 square feet, unfinished basement row unit townhouse. There was also no interior photos of this property, so you couldn't really see inside. And then the highest sale price this week was $711,000 for a 4-bedroom with a 3+1 layout, 4-bathroom, also 3+1 layout, 1,440 square feet, partially finished basement and unit townhouse. And again, this is the second townhouse in all of Barrie to sell with that criteria for over $700,000, being an end unit. That's because every new record that's being broken sets a benchmark for the next property being sold. So this end unit townhouse that was sold a couple weeks ago for $711,000 set the benchmark for this property to be sold for that much as well. And now, since this property has been sold for this much, we might see a couple more being listed or being sold at around that same range. And of course, we'll have to see week to week how those statistics keep up, because we might get a new influx of active properties, which then kind of evens out the price. Or if we continue seeing, like we saw this week, more listings leave the market, then go sold firm, going into the springtime, then, you know, it will still remain competitive. Overall, this week's townhouse performance was yet again very strong. We obviously saw an additional push towards firm and pending listings as opposed to new listings hitting the market, which we've seen for the last couple weeks. More listings hit the market than leave the market, but obviously there was a little bit of a shift, and it'll be interesting to see whether or not that is just a one-off thing this week, or will it continue happening going forward into springtime, which is definitely something we will keep you posted on. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Andre from the Townhouse team, and we will see you next week.